Switch on. And what happens when it is switched on? Switch on, current flows, lamp glows, electrical energy becomes light.
When we switch on a lamp, the switch completes the electrical circuit. This allows electric current to flow from the power source through the wires and into the lamp. Inside the lamp, the electrical energy is converted into light energy. In an incandescent bulb, the current heats a thin filament until it becomes very hot and glows, producing light. In an LED lamp, electricity passes through electronic components that produce light more efficiently. As a result, the lamp lights up and brightens the room. When we switch it off, the circuit is broken, the flow of current stops, and the lamp goes out.
Switch on. What happens on lead of tiny electric particles travels through the wire back at the source. Switch on, current flows, lamp glows, electrical energy becomes light.
Let's switch on, and the pulse stream of tiny electric particles toward the tire of the wire sends the flows of current from the BAMP through the wires. Switch and on is the current
That happens when it's switched on. Switch on. Current flows and lamp glows. Electrical energy becomes light.